The all-new Hymer Touring GT is an ultra-lightweight trailer that is easy to tow and features a sleek European design. This beautiful trailer is only 15 feet 5 inches long and has a dry trailer weight of only 2,480 pounds. The Touring GT's total gross vehicle weight rating is only 3,200 pounds. It can be towed by many cars and most lightweight sport utility vehicles and pickups. Once you've reached your destination, you can easily balance and stabilize your touring by lowering the adjustable legs found in each corner. To get inside your unit, you'll find an easy-to-pull-out adjustable step. And if it's dark when you arrive, well, don't worry. We've included a patio light to brighten everything up. Now, let's slide around the back of the trailer and open up the rear hatch and reveal the massive storage compartment. Inside, you'll find enough space to store all your camping needs. As we continue to move around to the other side, we find a utility storage compartment. Inside this compartment, you'll find your 30-amp electrical cable and 10-foot sewage hose. A little further inside the compartment, you'll find an outdoor shower, perfect for rinsing your feet off after a day at the beach. Now, located just a few feet away, you'll find your cassette toilet compartment, easily accessible for your convenience. Also located nearby, you will find all of your utility hookups, beginning with your water tank fill, your city water hookup, and your 30-amp electrical outlet. Now, as we complete our tour of the outside of the vehicle, we find a 20-pound propane tank that will provide all the fuel necessary to heat your unit and cook your food. And finally, a 12-volt AGM battery. Inside the trailer, the first thing you'll notice is that every door and window can be opened wide. But if you find that the mosquitoes are just too much, then you can simply lower or slide the screens and keep that perfect cross breeze going. And when it comes time to sleep, you can simply slide the privacy blinds in place. Every inch of the interior has been maximized. So inside, you'll find a permanent bed at the back and the ability to make a smaller twin bed at the front. In between the two sleeping areas, you'll find a versatile bathroom, complete with a sink, a cassette toilet, shower, and a built-in vanity. There is plenty of under-bed storage and, of course, many spacious overhead cabinets, great for storing clothes, towels, or whatever you need. Now, despite this trailer being compact, it hasn't sacrificed a thing, including a beautiful kitchen galley, complete with a 2-burner propane recessed cooktop, a stainless steel sink, a 2.7 cubic foot refrigerator, and an optional 0.7 cubic foot microwave. Imagine all those bacon and eggs you'll be cooking, and then serving to everyone sitting around your beautiful dining table. What a great way to start a day. As we've mentioned, we've brought German engineering to North America and built a trailer that you can get out and begin building memories in. And you can count on Hymer to stand behind your Touring GT, as it's backed by a 2-year warranty. So begin your original getaway and discover more with Hymer.